This is Mike Lingle from Rocket Proforma, and today we're going to talk about what is deferred revenue. It's a superpower of subscription business models. And so when I go and sign up for a subscription, I often have the option to pay monthly, so it might be $1,000 a month, or I can pay annually upfront. And they usually give me the good rate if I do the annual upfront. So in this case, it's $1,000 a month if I pay upfront for an annual membership. So that would be $12,000 upfront to get that $1,000 a month rate. And so what happens is we prepay that subscription in a lump sum. The company receives the cash upfront, but the revenue is recognized monthly on the P&L or the income statement. So the revenue is recognized on the accrual basis. So $1,000 of that lump sum is recognized monthly, but the company has the use of the full amount of the cash. So the company takes the $12,000 up front and then only recognizes $1,000 a month of that on the income statement. So the way that looks is the company receives the $12,000. They only recognize 1/12 of it, 1 month worth of it, which is $1,000 on the P&L or income statement. And they add $11,000 to a deferred revenue account on the balance sheet. But they take that $12,000 in cash up front and they can use that to run the business for the whole year. In month 2, they would record another $1,000 as income on the profit and loss statement. And they would subtract $1,000 from the deferred revenue so that now there's only $10,000 sitting in that deferred revenue account. No cash is changing hands because we took all the cash up front. Month 3, similarly, we record another $1,000 of income on the P&L. We subtract another $1,000 from the deferred revenue account, but still no cash is changing hands, and we do that all the way through all 12 months. So that's how deferred revenue works. And one of the things that subscription companies can do is not just sell 1-year subscriptions, but you could sell 2-year or 3-year subscriptions up front, which can bring a lot more revenue into your business right now. A lot more cash into your business right now that you can use. So when I was launching Rocket Proforma, I signed up for Wix, and Wix gave me the option to prepay not just a year, but 2 years or 3 years. And you can see that they're offering me a bigger discount if I do the 2-year or the 3-year to try to get me to do that because it brings more cash into the company right up front. So consider offering 2-year and 3-year subscriptions. This is Mike Lingle. Thanks so much.